Let's make the analysis what has happened this week. If you take a look in the previous week analysis, you will see that I have mentioned that the price could reach 1.07 price level because of the bearish push-up after the two strong bearish candles and also days in the week before that. We can see that the Monday has started with a bearish candle, that the price could not make some kind of a retrace around 1.07825, where the buyers in the previous 2 or 3 weeks have managed to make the price above this support level. We can see that this bearish candle has reached 1.071 level, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis, which is right here where the candles are in the previous attempt when moving up, and also here the price has found a support. We can see that on a Tuesday, price has made indecision candle with the price between 1.07825 and 1.06736 support and resistance level. We can see that the bears who have pushed the price down have closed the day again with a bearish candle. It is a small candle body, but we can see that the price has tried to reach higher level again, but it has reached 1.0076. It is a supply zone which now is acting as a resistance. From there the price has bounced down to 1.06736 and then returned back inside in between these support and resistance level and stay for a while for the next 2 days. We can see that the bulls around this demand zone here around 1.06736 have tried to push the price up and reach again higher level, but the supply zone around 1.07825, where the bears are now and the sellers are pushing the price down. We can see that the whole pressure from the sellers and the supply zone from 1.09860 here and also 1.08846 have switched down to 1.07825. We can see that on a Thursday where the price has tried to reach higher level, tried to go above this resistance level, but the price was pushed down and it has closed as a bullish candle. This bullish candle could not reach higher level and close above the first strong bearish candle, which was indicating that in these 3 days the bulls were not so strong to push the price above. Friday was the day when the decision has made and the bears have pushed the price down and closed below these 4 candles, which means that the sellers are much stronger than the bears currently are at this price level at 1.06736. Let's see on the weekly time frame what has happened. In the previous week I have mentioned that the price could break down, and if it is break down it will reach 1.073 and also 1.07 price level. We can see it here, and the price has done right that, but the price has moved more down. We can see that the price is currently in between 1.07825 and 1.05825. The price has managed to close below this level where I have mentioned that the price could find a support, and it has found support, but it has returned back slightly up and confirmed this price level which I have mentioned on the daily time frame. You can see it here, 1.07825 as a next support resistance level. Now let's see what has happened on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame we can see that the price after reaching 1.09860 has retraced a lot, and it has reached this price level 1.073, which we have discussed right now on a weekly, which is visible, and also on a daily time frame. So the price is following these price levels where the support and resistance are. So the price has reached almost close to this one, 1.06650, where the previous month candle has started, and the week has reached that level, but the candle body has not closed. And that is okay because the month, the February, has not finished yet. Now let's take a look what we can expect in the following week. Let's start with a monthly time frame to get a better overview. In the previous analysis, I have mentioned that monthly time frame, if it goes if it stays above 1.07825, it will continue to move up, because this month has not ended yet. This chance is still open, so there is a possibility that the price reverts back up and returns above this price level. But currently where it is heading down, and it could be very close to this trendline support level, which will be around this 1.053 price level. And that price level is because these two candles, you can see it, it is a place where there was a confluence between a support and a resistance level, which means there is a position where the buyers and sellers are fighting to push the price in each direction. If we go into the past, we can see that this price level, for example this one here, is 1.056. Then we have here again the same level, 1.057, and then we have here price level 1.05051. So it is an area between 1.05 and also 1.05657. Around 60-70 pips. It is an area where this month could stop, and also it is right here where the support of this trend line is. This is about the monthly time frame where the month could go, but we should not exclude the week that could go down at 1.03920, which is the next support level. And based on the previous weeks where they have reached lower levels, it is around 1.05 and also here 1.036. So based on the monthly time frame, we can see that the price is heading down, and it could reach the next support around 1.056 or 7 and 1.05. Then let's go to the weekly time frame and see how the price behaves here. We can see that the price has gone below this support area around 1.07825, and it's now heading to the next one where it is at 1.05825. I have mentioned on the monthly time frame that 1.05657 is the start of an area where the support starts. So the price for the weekly time frame, we can see that this is a first demand zone where the buyers are, and we can see here in between these three candles and also this candles here, it is an area 1.054, and the wicks are about 1.06. So this is an area around this horizontal support where the buyers are and where the demands are. Zone is the price could reach in the following week. The first level where the price could stop is 1.063, because it is a small support for the price here, we can see it, and the next one is below that. So based on this, how we can see that the price has entered in the area between 1.07825, which is a resistance for the price right now, and 1.05825, which is a support. If we go to the daily time frame, we have a much better picture how the area looks like. Just a minute, let's go to the weekly time frame. It is an area here 1.064. Let's go to the daily time frame. We can see here on the daily time frame that the price is right on 1.06736. I have seen on the weekly time frame 1.064. It is an area here for the price on a weekly time frame where the price has stopped. So we can expect that the price after breaking below these two candles and also the first two candles in this week, we can see that the price has dropped down and stopped at the support level, but we could expect the price returns back down at around 1.064, which is a next smaller support for the price below this horizontal support. If the price breaks below that, we have seen that on a monthly and on a weekly time frame, the next price level is around 1.056057. Here it is on the daily time frame, much more clear. It is around 1.05825 is the next support and the demand zone where the buyers are still waiting and will prevent the price to fall down. So on the three multi-time frames, that is on a monthly, weekly and a daily time frame, 1.05825 is the next most likely price level and the support for the price will reach in the following 1 or 2 weeks. But for the next week I'm expecting the price will continue down because of this strong bearish trend. Let's put here also this uptrend channel which will act as a resistance. Okay, here it is. Now you can see that this price area, if the price goes down in the following week, 1.064 is very likely, and the price will have hard time breaking below this one, but it is also here a confluence of support where we have an uptrend on the daily time frame, we have horizontal support level, and also we have here a monthly downtrend which will act as a resistance. So this area around here, starting from 1.064, which is here, up to down here 1.05, sorry, here it is 1.05, it is the next support, and 1.057 area, 56 area, which is right here, is the next area for the price where the sellers will push the price down and where the buyers are waiting. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!